Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Facebook lock profile not showing problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do first, you're gonna go ahead, access your Play Store. Simply, this is also an update by Facebook app itself for your easy use. For the matter, you're first gonna go ahead, type Facebook and see if your app is updated or not, because if your app is not updated, then that could be one of the reasons why you're not being able to access that option, right? Once you're updated, then that means you will have a new updated version of your Facebook with all of the services that has been added recently. Then afterwards, you're gonna go ahead, go to your Facebook and tap on your profile icon and tap on this three dot icon given right over here and tap on this lock profile, which you can just see is now available. And you can tap on this lock your profile here in this blue box, and you can use it however you would like. Make sure to update your app, and if you still can't find that option, go to Facebook, simply tap long press on it, uninstall that particular app, and then again reinstall it and add in all of your login information and use it again. That is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.